This is an overview of an automobile truck accident that occurred on the East Sam Houston Toll Road in Houston, Texas in April 2014. The driver of the red automobile was seriously injured. The truck was inspected and photographed at specific points of possible contact by the automobile. The automobile was inspected and electronically scanned to create an accurate model of the damage. Specific areas of the automobile were documented and analyzed to determine exactly where and how the automobile struck the truck. Paint samples were taken from specific areas and carefully labeled and handled for scientific analysis. Samples were analyzed under several microscope magnifications to determine what part of the automobile the sample came from and where on the truck the matching samples were located. Reference books were created to document where paint samples came from and what information was related to each sample.